Hi, I'm Simon Orrells, Managing Director at Frame Technologies. We design, manufacture and deliver and direct bespoke timber frame systems from our factory in Prestine, where we manufacture the full TechVantage range. In this quickfire video, I'm giving you my top tips on creating a sustainable, energy-efficient home with timber frame. So first off, early involvement is key, as we're always saying. Get us involved in that in your build as soon as we possibly can, and obviously as soon as you've got planning, get us the drawings, get us involved, get us have a look at it. Even if you want us to have a look at it once over, pre-planning, so that we can just determine and advise if there's sort of elements where we think, right, well actually we need to sort of decrease that window elevation, save adding so much steel work, or those projections to make that line up better, just to get the buildability of the build. Early design freeze, that's another one. People say, well, can I make changes late on in my timber frame? Yes, you can. You can make late changes, but obviously you've got to think the later you make the changes, the more it's going to cost you. So early design freeze of that design, so we can get follow-on products and long lead-in materials procured, but also getting the design frozen so that we can then follow on with service ducts and things like that for mechanical ventilation sorted afterwards. Budget control. Obviously, that's a key one, and the awareness of that budget. Too many times we're finding and seeing people going over budget and not understanding. At the end of the day, that budget is there for a reason. So from very early doors with the architects, project managers, design team, make everybody aware of what that budget is, and it is fixed. Don't go over it, because it's no good going into this project with a very sort of a stretched budget, because you will always, 9 times out of 10, you will always use that budget and sort of buffer in that budget zone as well. And future proofing. Obviously, timber frame is naturally energy efficient and airtight, so fabric first, fabric first, fabric first. Get that fabric right, get that building envelope right. That's your first one for future-proofing it. And then obviously all the service zones, and obviously metal web floors in there for your mechanical ventilation, and that is key. And as I said, all your service zones, so then all your services and all your ducting and everything is on the inside of that external fabric, so you're not damaging that fabric of the building. And then obviously you can do what you like inside it then, and build that dream home that you've always wanted. That was, as I said, that was all very, very quick through. If you need any further information, go to our website. Thank you very much, and speak to you soon.